Let's talk peptides whilst I'm doing my evening skincare routine. So peptides are really good for four main reasons. Number one, they will tell the body to produce more collagen, and more collagen in the body means that your skin is firmer, it's more supple, it's got more bounce and elasticity to it. And from the age of 21, our bodies produce 2% less collagen every year, so we need all the help we can get. Number two, they will help improve the texture of your skin. So they help the dead skin cells to shed, and they also promote healthy skin renewal. So this will give you softer, smoother, more supple skin, and it will help refine the texture as well. As we get older, we can't retain moisture as well as we used to, and peptides boost our ability to retain moisture, so we'll have plumper, smoother, glowing skin. They're also an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, so this will protect your skin and repair it from any environmental stress, free radicals that damage the skin cells. It will help them repair, and it helps with redness, irritation and inflammation. Look for serums and moisturisers that specifically say they have peptides in them.